Dear students, today we are discussing about multiplication problems. Here is a question. A school decided to give pen to each children. School decided to give pen to all children. There are 256 children in a school. 256 children in a school. A price of a one pen is 6 rupees. Price of the pen is 6 rupees. Okay. What is the total cost of pen? We should say what is the total cost of pen. How can we calculate this? Look at the question on screen. A school decided to give pens to all children participating in the Onam festival. The price of a pen is 6 rupees and there are 256 children. What would be the total cost? How can we calculate this? Number of children is number of children is 256. 256. Price of a pen is 6 rupees. So how can we calculate this? 6 256 times. 256 into 6. 6 6 are 36. So 6 we should write here, 3 we should write up. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 3 we should write here, 3 we should write up. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. What is the answer now? 1536. So the total cost is 1536 rupees. The total cost is 1536 rupees. Is it clear now? Let us look at the another question. A panchayat decided to provide furniture for the primary school. A panchayat decided to provide furniture to the primary school. The price of a desk is 3456 rupees. Price of a desk is 3456 rupees. What would be the total cost for 85 desks? What is the amount needed to 85 desks? We have to find out that. How can we find out? First we have to write number of desk. What is the number of desk? Number of desk. Number of desk is 85. So what is the price of desk? What is the price for one desk? Price of a desk is 3456 rupees. For one desk 3456 rupees. Here also we have to find out the total cost of a desk. Total cost. So what we have to do here? 3456 into 85. We have to find out the answer. Here we have to consider the ones place first. 5 into 6, 5 into 5, 5 into 4 and 5 into 3. We have to find out this first. So first here we have to multiply 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 30. So we should write here 0 and 3 up. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28. So 8 we should write here. 2 we should write up. Next 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. This 2 we should write here. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Here 3456 into 5 is 17,280. Next step, we have to multiply by 8. 8 into 6, 8 into 5, 8 into 4, 8 into 3. 8 into 6 is 48. When you are writing 8, you should write under the 8. Don't write under the 0. If you are writing here, answer will be wrong. So you have to write here under the 8. 8 6 are 48. So 8 we should write here and 4 up. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. So we have to write 4 here. Another 4 here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. So we should write 6 here, 3 up. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. We should write this here. Here first 3456 into 5 is 17,280. Next we multiplied by 8. Here 8 is in the place of tens. So it is 80. So 3456 into 80 is 2,76,480. No need to write here 0. If you want, you can write that. So what is the answer? 0 we should write here. 8 plus 8 is 16. So 6 we should write here. 1 up. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus this 1 is 7. Next 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. So we should write 3 here, up 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here there is no number. So we should write this 2 here. What is the answer now? The total cost for desk is 2,93,760. 2,93,760 rupees. Is it clear now? See the explanation of this method. You can see that 3,456 is multiplied by 85 is equal to 3,456 into 5 plus 80. 5 plus 80 is 85. Next step, 3,456 into 5. We already multiplied here. Plus 3,456 into 80. Next, you can see that 3,456 into 5 is 17,280. And the next one, 3,456 into 80 is 2,76,480. What is the answer? 3,456 into 85 is 2,93,760 is the answer. 2,93,760 is the total cost for desk. Is it clear now? Let us look at the next question. Rajivan Master bought 3 packets of crayons. Rajivan Master bought 3 packets of crayons, each for 12 rupees. Each for 12 rupees. As price for the quiz. As price for the quiz. After the competition, 2 more children had to be given prizes. After the competition, 2 more children had to be given prizes, and he bought 2 more packets again. He bought 2 more crayons packets. How much did he spend in all? That is the question. How much he spent in all? First he bought 3 packets of crayons. Next he bought 2 packets of crayons. How can we calculate that? First he spent First he spent 12 into 3 is equal to 36 rupees. Then he spent 12 into 2, 24 rupees. So all together he spent 36 plus 24 is equal to 60 rupees. Is it clear now? This we can write in another way. "12 into 5. Number of packets he bought is 5. 12 into 5 is equal to 60 rupees. 12 into 5 is 60 rupees. So 3 into 12 plus 2 into 12 is equal to 36 plus 24. Answer 60 rupees. This is the another way of finding answer. Okay students, I will give you homework. Look at the screen. In an educational district, there are 215 schools and the district panchayat allotted 4,850 rupees to each of these for setting up maths lab, and also 76,500 rupees each for 36 schools for a computer lab. How much is the total allotment for labs? This is the first question. And the next one is, under the noon meal scheme, 150 grams of rice is allotted per day for each child. In a high school, 1,240 children are in this scheme. How many kilograms of rice is needed per day? This is the question. You have to write the answer. Okay students, next chapter will be discussed in next class. Thank you.